Hello, my name is Katerina, and I'm presenting our paper, Design Strategies for Fostering a Genuine Feeling of Connection in Technologically Mediated Systems. This is my co-authors, and we're from Simon Fraser University in KTH, Royal Institute of Technology. We design interactive systems and art installations using bioresponsive technology, semi-aesthetics, and virtual reality to support positive experiences and help people connect with themselves and others. In this paper, we wanted to explore what is a mediated genuine connection and how can we design systems that can support it. Genuine connection is such an important experience that we all seem to share, that we all intuitively understand, but finding a clear-cut definition proves elusive, because experiences of genuine connection can be very different depending on different contexts. For example, mediated genuine connection can be experienced with another person directly, like in intimate relationships or in a family, or when we connect with a stranger or a colleague. But we can also feel connected to the community with a sense of belonging or camaraderie. Another form of connection is this sense of interconnectedness, or connection to the humanity at large. So in order to understand how can we design the systems that can support all of those different forms of this feeling of genuine connection, we first started by discussing among ourselves what we mean by genuine connection based on the history of our lived experiences, as well as the history of our own practice as designers creating such systems. This forms the initial hunch of this intuitive understanding of what is genuine connection. Based on this hunch, we have selected a set of prototypical examples of designed artifacts or art installations that formed our corpus for analysis. We analyzed this corpus in order to derive experiential qualities, design strategies, and challenges observed by using those strategies. This, in turn, has updated our definition of genuine connection based on the systems that embody this definition. And this led to further selection of additional exemplars, and so on, by performing this analysis through this hermeneutic circle. In this paper, we present 9 design strategies that emerge from our analysis, that are used by designers and artists to create systems that stimulate, foster, or support a feeling of genuine connection. The strategy of affective self-disclosure relies on us sharing our feelings with others. This allows us to have a more intimate relationship with them by letting them know how we feel and also learning about them, thus fostering empathy. Those systems often used by feedback sharing or expressive messaging to send messages with our feelings to others. The strategy of reflection of unity aims to help people see how we are all alike. It often uses abstraction to obscure our identity and instead highlight some minimal signals that only show the essence of who we are as humans, highlighting how we are all the same. Shared abiding experience strategy helps us mirror ourselves in others. It often encourages synchrony in movement or physiological, or it can help us have a shared bodily experience by putting people in a similar physical context. An experience of transcendent emotions can help us dissolve our sense of self and have this strong sense of interconnectedness. So this strategy uses our knowledge of such experiences and can use awe-inspiring scenery, meditation, or sometimes inspired by psychedelic experiences. The strategy of embodied metaphors relies on this tight connection between our physical experiences and our conceptual experiences that are often rely on the same network of language. So, for example, we can design systems that give the sense of warmth in a physical sense, but then we can transfer this quality of feeling a warm relationship. We can also use visual metaphors by connecting, for example, our bodies together in a visual sense. The strategy of interpersonal distance relies on the theory of proxemics. It nudges people to move closer together in order to start feeling closer. Touch is a fundamental sense through which we engage with the world. and a powerful strategy for supporting intimate relationships and stimulating new connections among strangers. Systems that use this strategy often encourage interpersonal touch as a form of interaction, where users can actually have to touch another person in order to engage with the system. An alternative approach is to support telepresent touch by mediating touch through some technology that allows us to send the messages like hugs or handholds to other people on the other side of the world. The strategy of provocations, often employed by artists who want to challenge the social norms and make the participants expose their vulnerability and help them overcome this discomfort in order to form new connections, often with strangers, that they wouldn't have formed otherwise if it wasn't enabled by the installation. The strategy of play relies on the key role that play plays in how we learn, develop skills, and test boundaries of our world. But most importantly, it's also fun. This strategy often combines with others such as provocations or shared embodied experiences. Cooperative games allow us to bond with others through working towards a shared goal, while other systems may invite collaborative exploration, for example, such as creating soundscapes together in this playful manner. And on this note, I want to invite you to connect with us. There are many more strategies that could be used to foster a feeling of genuine connection. And we invite you to collaborate and contribute to our database with other notable systems. We offer this database as a resource for the community to build and refer to. You can use this growing corpus to perform your own analysis. This way, together we can start building a design program for genuine connection. Please feel free to reach over to us with any questions or suggestions of collaborations, and I hope to see you soon.